In response to the learning disruptions as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic, the Saskatchewan Ministry published this document, which highlighted foundational outcomes in both literacy, including reading and writing, and also math, specifically on numeracy, including numbers, patterns, and logical thinkings. In response to the, oh, try that again. Take two. In response to the learning disruptions as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic, the Saskatchewan Education Ministry published this document, which outlined foundational outcomes in both literacy and numeracy. That included for math, number sense, patterns, logical thinking components. And the idea was that students would start with understanding these basics, these fundamentals that are threaded throughout the entire curriculum from K to 12. These foundational outcomes also appeared in the Sunwest School Division strategic plan with the achievement priority. And the achievement priority states that for all students, foundational math outcomes must be mastered, which for the strategic plan, mastery means they're automatic and transferable. There's also an action that says all schools need to ensure that students who don't have those foundational outcomes mastered, so they're at least at a level 3, they will need a personal goal. So that foundational outcome document is in the math channel under foundational outcomes. And there's a secondary document to help with that tracking. Now, there's a couple of ways schools can track. One of the ways is to pull an EDSB report on the foundation outcomes. And principals have been learning how to do that. Division office has been teaching principals how to gather that data, and it'll be in the goal tracking team. Another option is to track them individually at the classroom level. And this document has been created. For each grade level, you'll see the outcomes, you'll see a description, you'll see which concept it aligns with, and then the final column on the right has a place where you can calculate how many students in your class are not achieving at mastery, which is level 3, and then consider, based on the information you have, do I need an individual PG for a student? Might I just need to reteach that concept for all classroom students in the classroom? Is that a tier 1 intervention? Is it a tier 2 intervention? So there's a space for you to work with your school triad to determine the best way to move forward for anyone who is not achieving mastery. This document is also available in the math channel of the resource sharing team and can be downloaded and edited by individual teachers.